Welcome to Computer Education Unlocked channel. Today's video will teach how to install Windows 11 without DVD or pen drive. By following few steps you can install Windows 11 very easily. Let's start the video. Windows 11 ISO download. I will open the first website. Scroll down. Select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO. Click to download. Select your product language. Click to confirm. 64-bit download. It will take some time to complete the download. This is the Windows 11 downloaded ISO file. Right-click on Windows 11 ISO file and click to mount. All files and folders must be copied inside the ISO of Windows 11. Then I will paste it on F drive. If you open the F drive, you can see all the Windows 11 files and folder. Windows R to open run. Type CMD to open command prompt. Shutdown /R/F/O/T0. This command for computer restart and open advanced option. Enter command prompt. Type diskpart. Diskpart is a command line tool in Microsoft Windows that allows users to manage and configure disk partitions on a computer hard drive. Type list volume. List volume for show all hard drive partitions. In my system volume 4 drive letter ACE, all the files and folders of the Windows 11 installation are on this drive. Type exit. This command to exit diskpart. Type another command /setup.exe. Select time and currency format. Click on next. Install now. I don't have product key. Tick on I accept the Microsoft software. Click on next. Custom install Windows only advanced. Do not delete partition 4 in any way. If you delete it, it will not be possible to install Windows 11. Select on partition. Click on delete option. OK. Select unallocated space. Click new option. Enter partition size in MB. Apply. OK. Select partition 2. Click on next. Windows 11 installation will start. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon to get latest video updates. If you have any questions or suggestions about the video, please comment.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.